Yo, what up guys, we're back here from the episode of Chainsaw Man. We got season 1, episode 5, Gun Devil. Last episode we left off, episode 4, they were fighting another demon that came up, snuck up on my boy Denji. He was almost about to die. But then, what's it called? Aki saved them with his gun, and then basically the pact he made with the devil to use his abilities for some of his blood, and saved them. So minimal damage to the city. Everybody came off scot-free. Even the cat survived. But now Power is living with Aki and Denji, and they're like, she's a little bit messy, more than Denji when he first came. So now it's all three of them living together, and now Power is gonna let Denji get a touch. So what this man has been praying for the last 20 years he's been alive. So let's see what happens here, because obviously nothing good. Well, the title of the episode is Gun Devil, so I'm guessing another one shows up. Let's get into this. Thank you guys for kicking this video. I really do appreciate it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get me out. Let's go. Okay, I guess I was wrong. Ain't no way, bro. I knew it. It was a trick from day one. This guy good? Fantastic. I can't believe we spent 30 minutes watching this. That's what I'm thinking. That's literally frozen. And move? What's he thinking? Yep, Maddie. You risk your life for that.
Denji-kun, 何か悩みでもあるの?
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをやっと掴んだんです。でもいざ掴んでみるとそんなもんは俺が思っていたより大したことなくて。
I was disappointed. That's what happens when you put it on a pedestal, buddy.
デンジ君は何の話をしているの?
初めて胸を揉んでみたら大したことなかったって話です。
Huh? That's the topic we're talking about? Oh, the paperwork we just did.
ことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると私は思うんだ。
Wait a minute.
相手の心を理解するのは
I don't trust this woman.
難しい
So,
こと
Denji,
だから。
don't be fooled, my boy.
覚えて。デンジ君の目が見えなくなっても
Denji,
私の噛む
focus
力
at the
で
task at hand, my boy.
私だってわかるくらいに覚えて。
It's the same thing she does with Aki. So then he signs away all his goddamn room in his house, his home, his time. Man, this man got a 2-for-1 deal. This guy good? Denji.
デンジ君、お願いがあるんだ
See,
けど
I knew it. I knew it.
いいかな?
Denji, don't trust her. My boy, she is using you.
銃の悪魔を
There
倒し
it
てほ
is.
しいの。
Okay. That's basically dead.
銃の悪魔。
Who's the gun devil?
とっても強い悪魔。私ね、デンジ君なら殺せると思うんだ。
Yeah, maybe.
でもデンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺せたら、私が君の願い事、何でも一つ叶えて
Oh
ある。
yeah, Denji. We on the first flight to find this gun devil, whatever.
何でもって、例えば
何でもだよ、デンジ君。
すげえ。
Hold up,
な
Denji.
こ
I
と
know
あ
you're
ってもい
getting
いんです
happy.
か?
But first, let's take a look
そ
at
ん
this
なことあってもいい
devil
くらい
and assess
強
it.
くて悪い悪魔なの。
Because if multiple people want this thing dead and it's not dead, it's been alive for 13 years, being the most wanted, it's not good. It's not a good look.
で銃を使った大きなテロが起こったの。その日に銃の悪魔が現れた。
Dude. Yeah?
これが僕の住んでいるところさ、と都会のネズミは言いました。その家。
Wait, the gun devil killed Aki's parents.
お兄ちゃんと遊びたい。
Terrible parent. We should first make sure how good he feels.
うざい。ついてくんなよ。俺は一人で遊べるんだ。
冷て。
Yeah, it does look cold. I mean freezing out here.
キャッチボールなら。
5 steps out here and he guaranteed got caught one.
家からグローブ取ってこい。
Oh no. He's gonna show up at the house. There's gonna be a devil there. It's gonna get him too. Well, I was wrong.
だいたい5分弱で120万人を殺した後、銃の悪魔は今日まで姿を消している。倒せると思う？
Hell no.
なんていうか、
1.2 million
ゲ
people
ートかんと頑張
in
れ
a
ば
couple minutes.
大丈夫。
Those
無理で
numbers
しょ
are, let's just say, godly.
めた銃の悪魔の肉片。移動速度が速すぎて体が少し焦げ落ちたみたい。悪魔がこの肉片を食べると、銃の悪魔の力でどんな悪魔でも力を増すの。点がある程度の大きさになれば元の体の場所に戻ろうとするみたい。だからこの肉片をもっと大きくすれば
Oh.
銃の悪魔にたどり着く。
見つけました。
The gun devil seems to be too good to be like for us to kill him this episode. I feel like it's gonna be like a whole season thing.
公安に悪魔の駆除要請。ホテル内部で悪魔の目撃。ホテルの宿泊者の生存
Damn, y'all saying what?
駆除に当たった民間のデビルハンター複数人が死亡。おそらく銃の悪魔の肉片を食べている悪魔です。公安大麻得意4課。
I want to see some action.
ホテル内のどこかに潜んでいる。それもこれはただの悪魔じゃない。銃の肉片を食べた悪魔がいる。
銃の悪魔本人がいるんじゃ
Hey,
ね
I
え
don't
の
think so.
肉片が大きいほど強く引き寄せ
You
る。
wouldn't just be hiding out here.
この程度じゃ違う。
そうなんだ。
敬語はどうした？
あ？何の得もねえのに誰がてめえに敬語使うかよ。
Gun. Oh, he had me.
早川先輩。
先輩。
よし。
やりー。こいつちょれ
These guys are actually children.
には基本この二人を先行させる。逃げたり悪魔に寝返った場合は俺たちが殺す。
畜生みたいな扱いじゃな。
お前らに人権はない。
Whoa, whoa. You can't say that.
めっちゃキレてんじゃん。朝のあれのせいだな。
あのいたずらはさすがにまずかったな。
あれはいたずらレベルじゃねえ。殺すぞ。
よし、私が一肌脱いでやろう。今回の悪魔を倒した人にはなんと
What?
私がほっぺにキスしてあげまーす。
I'm shocked Denji didn't start running in there at max speed.
乙女がそんな身だらな。
ご褒美あった方がやる気出るでしょねえ。
That man's heart is pumping.
初めての銃は誰にするか決めてんだ。その人のために
Okay,
肉
man.
片だかなんだかを集めてよ。銃の悪魔をぶっ殺すまでキ
She's
スはし
evil,
ね
I'm telling you. Watch her be the gun devil.
は
Would that be the plot twist? That'd be crazy. I don't think so.
え。あんたの唇には興味ないね。
あ、へえ。じゃあデンジ君が悪魔を倒したらベロ入れたキスしてあげる。
Hey, bro, don't fold on your words. Hey, man. You better not be the first one in that goddamn building. This guy.
弾のコーナー危険だ。止まれ。
This man. Hold it quick.
姫野先輩、新人たちは使えそうですか？
Interesting.
不足だけどやる気は十分って感じ。 小紅ちゃんは引っ込み思案だけどかなり動けるかな。アキくんはこの新人4人生き残れると思う？
新しいバディだ。ブレーダーが少しは使えるように育てた。うまくやれ。
Oh, young.
俺はアキ。よろしく。
帰るの？
さあ、まあ。
私のバディ、君で6人目。全員死んでるの。
I'd be like, wait a minute.
使えない雑魚だ
If
から
6 of your
全員
partners
死んだ。
died at that point, it's like, wait, what a minute. That ratio to be still alive.
アキくん
Like,
は
how
死
is it
なな
not
いで
your
ね。
turn? Like, are you sacrificing them? Like, what's going on here? Stark, get down. I'm going home. Y'all wasting my time with this. We shouldn't judge a book by its cover. Wait a couple seconds.
捕まえた。
Oh, everybody has powers nowadays.
私がこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする？
武器を引っ込めな。悪いことしたらいつでも首を絞め殺せるぞ。
It is a ghost hand power.
決めた。ステーキにして食ってやるわ。
ステーキ？俺ステーキ食ってみて。
新井くん、今階段降りていったよね。
Oh yeah, we're doomed. Damn it, bro. Hey, I vote that we make these episodes 40 minutes long. Who's with me? You know, we're really not getting enough time for how long we had to wait. We had to wait a week for an episode, which is 20 minutes, which it doesn't seem relatively correct. Like, I know these guys are hard workers out there, map, and they're literally animating 5 different TV shows at the same time. They get worked to death. Like, oh, poor souls, they're not paid enough. Come on, man. Don't even. I enjoyed what I got. Thank you guys for this episode. We got to meet a lot of new people. Seems like I'm calling it right now that the hotel is the devil, maybe, because that would only make sense on how they go up the stairs in the exact same spot. If that doesn't, I'm a little bit confused. That also signal why they need 6 devil hunters for this one devil, even if they ate a piece of flesh from the gun devil. Yeah, 6 of these guys. You were literally sending Denji to go kill the gun devil by himself. Denji, you'll get whatever you want if you go get the kill this gun devil. I was like, oh, okay. But then you sent him and a group of people to go fight this random devil. No, but it definitely has to be the hotel. Not no ordinary person in there. Oh, now Power, like Power, she's like the wild card of the group. She's not really on anybody's side. So we always have to keep her in check. She does hold her word though, you know. If she says she's gonna do something, she does do it. This man Denji, he's just living life, man. He's just happy to be here. Aki, great seeing you, man. Hope you relax a little bit from time to time. You need it. All around, good episode. Gun Devil, I'm assuming is gonna be the major villain in the end of this season. Again, I'm just assuming, guessing, so I don't know for sure. But thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. That's me. I'll catch you guys next time for another video. Peace, bye bye. Have a great day.